A clean service vehicle is extremely important because it is often the very first thing a customer sees, and it shapes their trust before a worker even knocks on the door. Think of a service vehicle like a moving business card that drives around your neighborhood all day long. When a truck or van is dirty, dented, or messy inside, people naturally assume the work done by that company will be sloppy too, even if the workers are actually skilled and careful. On the flip side, a clean, organized vehicle signals professionalism, safety, and pride in the work, which makes customers feel more comfortable letting that person into their home. Here is something a lot of folks do not realize: many customers actually take a photo of the service vehicle before the technician even reaches the front door. And some companies have lost jobs simply because of trash visible through a window or ladders strapped on with frayed rope. Keeping tools organized and visible also matters, because customers subconsciously connect tidy equipment with tidy, careful work. A clean vehicle is basically free advertising that either builds trust instantly or quietly chips away at it. One common mistake is thinking that only the outside of the vehicle matters, when in reality, customers often glance inside too. So keeping the cab free of fast food wrappers and clutter is just as important as washing the exterior. Another misconception is that a company logo alone makes a vehicle look professional, but a faded, peeling, or crooked decal can actually hurt credibility more than having no logo at all. So keeping branding fresh and properly applied is a simple fix. A third thing people overlook is odor. Since a smoky or messy smelling vehicle can turn off a customer just as fast as visible dirt, so a quick air freshener and regular cleaning routine solves this easily. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.